Hey guys, Millenniumforce here in Quacky Duck. We are in Tampa, Florida. We missed the street runner. He already ran through downtown Tampa about an hour ago, but we did catch up with him by Gandy Boulevard. Because of the coronavirus, it's very hard for us to go out and film trains, but we're doing what we can, and we feel like we got out today. We're not getting too much out of the car. We're staying in the car because of the orders and everything. But we did manage to take a joyride today and catch a street runner. So let's go and see where he is going. He just went through downtown Tampa. We're going towards St. Petersburg, but not over there, of course. We're going towards it. And we'll see about catching up with him and seeing what he's got on him, what deliveries he's going to make. So here he comes now, so let's get ready. And he's going to go through a crossing that's not even open yet. Let's see, he's going to stop probably. We got the engineer and conductor out here, I believe. These crossings are not ready yet. They're putting up the new Gandy Expressway above. And they're going to put in a whole new crossing for the street runner to get down further, I guess, towards Picnic Island. So until then, I guess they're going to have to flag this crossing. Alright guys, well that's about it. It's getting dark and we don't know where he's going. He's going into some siding, so we'll try to get out there and get more videos for you. Just hang in there with this situation we're going through with the corona, and hopefully everybody stays safe. We will see you later, and we're going to close this video out with a sunset over the Gandy Bridge. So see you guys later on.